How? Oh, Slide, you're here. Come on, it's refreshingly cold. I get you now. This is cold. Boo! Ah, it's a monster. The thieves are gone. Now it's time for the merge. We got 24 votes. That's the most ever. Yay! Speaking of yay, Lamppost, Star, you got the least votes with none. Enderpearl, you're safe with 1 vote. Cake Pop and Pumpkin both got 2 votes. You 3 are the bottom 3. 2 of you will be eliminated, and 1 of you will stay on the show. Notebook Paper is the last one safe. Fusionberry, Kebab, time to say goodbye. Kebab, wait! Pink Egg, Sippy Cup, you 2 got no votes to join. Laminator, TNT, and Xylophone all had only 1. Sun, Toilet Roll, and Blue Fire all got only 2 votes. Which means Popcorn with 3 votes joins the game. Gumball Machine. What in the world? It was just a prank. You 2, get a room. And Jay, announce the challenge already. Finally, y'all stopped yapping. Whatever. This challenge is to make me and 2 guest judges food. We will rate the food from 1 to 10. Whoever has the highest score wins. The winner gets to pick 2 people safe for the next episode. Bruh. Grrr. What are you so excited about? It's only been 21 seconds. Because someone's already coming. 7. Jay, I think your caramel sauce is alive. What? 8. 6. 7. You get 5 out of 30. Here are the scores. I think you all know who I'm going to pick first. Pumpkin, get over here, bro. Popcorn can't be getting out too early, so her too. Enderpearl, since you had the least amount of points with only 5, you are eliminated. Hi, I'm Pumpkin. We just made a plush of me. You can buy it now with the link in the description. You can also buy a shirt or a hoodie if you like. And don't forget to show us your new merch. See you in episode 11.